Hi, and welcome to the Sexy Living Dropshipping application tutorial video. We'll be going through app installation and customer registration. So you're going to go into the app section of your Shopify store, search for the Sexy Living Adult Dropshipping app. You're going to click on the link for it. You can review the app details and click install. Here you're going to review all the data access that the Sexy Living Dropshipping app needs. Click install. The app is going to load, and the first thing you're going to see if you're a new user to Sexy Living is a customer registration form. So you'll enter in your company name along with your contact first and last name, a company email, a contact phone number, as well as your full business address, along with any unit, suite, or apartment details. You'll enter in your business city, business state, province, or region, a postal or zip code, the country you're in, a website URL, incorporation papers or business documents, as well as a notes section for any general notes for us, an email marketing opt-in. Please make sure to subscribe to get the latest deals for your customers. When you click Next, you'll submit the client information to the Sexy Living app. The next thing is credit card capture. The way that the dropshipping service system works is when your customer places an order, you'll receive 100% of the payment to yourself. When the order is pushed through to our Shopify system through the fulfillment system, your card on file will automatically be debited for the wholesale value of the items purchased, plus the $18.50 in shipping fees, with the exception of oversized items that may have a higher shipping fee. You'll need to enter your valid credit card information and then hit Next. Congratulations, you've successfully registered for Sexy Living Adult Dropshipping app. Once here, our team will review your application, and as long as it meets the requirements for dropshipping, we will approve your application within 2 to 3 business days. Please keep an eye on your email in your inbox or spam folder. Thank you.